In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Solid Base Prep won and decided to send Duhaney Park Primary first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Duhaney Park Primary and Bible knowledge. Which man in the Bible was released at the time of the crucifixion of Jesus? Solid Base, would you like to try?
Yes, thank you.
Barbaras. Barbaras.
That is incorrect. It is Barabbas. Solid Base. Which man in the Bible was advised by his wife to curse God and die?
Nicodemus.
Incorrect. It's Job. Signs for Duhaney Park. What typically forms when water temperature drops to 0 degrees Celsius or below?
Ice.
Correct. Solid Base. Why does ice float in liquid water?
Because of its density.
Yes, we will go ahead and accept it's less dense than liquid. Local affairs, a visual question, Duhaney Park. Look at the monitor and identify this person. Solid Base, would you like to try?
Yes, thank you. Franklin Witter. Franklin Witter.
That is correct. Solid Base, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Kamina Johnson Smith.
Incorrect. It's Marissa Dalrymple Philibert. English language for Duhaney Park. What is the meaning of the abbreviation ETC? Solid Base, would you like to try?
Yes, thank you. Etc. Etc.
Correct. Solid Base, what is the meaning of the abbreviation RSVP?
Reply if you please. Reply if you please.
That is correct. Television or visual question, Duhaney Park. Look at the monitor and identify this animated movie character. Solid Base, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's Easy from The Grinch. Solid Base, look at the monitor and identify this animated movie character.
Matthias.
Incorrect, it's Razul from Aladdin. General knowledge for Duhaney Park, in which Jamaican parishes lovers leap.
Saint Anne.
Incorrect, St. Elizabeth. Solid Base, in which Jamaican parish is Stony Guts.
Saint Thomas. Saint Thomas.
Correct. Social studies for Duhaney Park, in which Jamaican parish is the Castleton Botanical Gardens. Solid Base, would you like to try?
Yes, thank you. Clarendon. Clarendon.
That is incorrect. It's St. Mary. Solid Base, in which Jamaican parish is the Bath Botanical Gardens?
Saint Thomas.
Correct. Music for Duhaney Park. What is another name for the semiquaver in music?
The 16th note.
Yes, that is correct. Solid Base, what is another name for the crochet in music?
A quarter note. A quarter note.
What is another name for the crotchet in music? Quarter note is correct. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Solid Base Prep on 7 and Duhaney Park Primary on 2. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Keep your study space tidy and organized so you don't waste time searching for materials. Stay with us. Season 22 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.